Good morning, welcome to Chiaku Alokore channel. The voice is my voice. We are in Arua City, West Nile, Uganda. It has been a while since I posted a photo, not photo but video on my channel. But today I felt I need to do something small. So welcome to the channel, welcome to home. The background, it's home, yeah. So this is home. I am, see, the little girl is there playing. So I am this side of the house.